can you please explain why there would end up being more GMOs in New Zealand, including being released into the environment and potentially in our food because of this bill by MB?
There will be more failed GMOs in the environment. That is, ones that people didn't intend to make, ones that didn't work out the way they intended, but for which they don't even know they're making them, because you can do this in uncontained facilities. And those exposures then can't be destroyed. The results of those exposures can't be destroyed prior to entry into the environment. Now, we won't have any idea when this happens, how often it happens, and in the diversity of species in which it happens. And that means that as our detection techniques improve, because that will happen, it is already happening, we can't assume that we will be as blind to these changes in the future as we might be now. As that happens, then these unknown organisms, which will be regulated in other countries, can contaminate our exported goods and cause trade disruptions. Countries such as Brazil and all of the EU countries have what's called zero tolerance. They will allow a certain amount of admixture, a little bit of contamination of genetically modified organism, provided that it falls below a certain quantitative threshold and it's a known genetically modified organism that has benefited from a risk assessment. If it is an unknown genetically modified organism, there is no tolerance and the entire consignment is condemned.